for like a camp to go to for summer. So we looked at the Howell Nature Center camps, and we read about it and loved it. So I got packed up and just came.
My favorite part about camp was Gaga Ball, capture the flag, zip lining, everything I'd say.
My favorite part of camp was zip lining, rock climbing, and swimming.
I like chapel and vespers because in chapel I like to sing, and in vespers I like to listen about Jesus. I really like it, and it teaches me a lot about God and Jesus and everything.
God can forgive you for basically anything, and like you have a little piece of a puzzle piece, and if you follow the good way, God has a big masterpiece for you.
I would say go to this camp. It's pretty fun. There's nice counselors.
Definitely come. It's like just too much fun. Like I wish it was more than 5 days. Like I wish it was like forever.